Here is how you can burn 6 times more calories. Retro execution is another name for running backwards. If you have not played any sport, backing is the best way to get back on that track. It looks weird, but if you try, you will see its advantages very soon. The Chinese are so fit for the same reason. They have been doing this backward exercise for so many years. This is how running back helps burn 6 times more calories. Advantages of executing backwards. Running backwards is a cardiovascular exercise and burns a lot of calories. Usually, if you walk 100 steps backwards, then it is equal to 1000 steps of walking forward. And if you complete a round of backward running, that would amount to 6 rounds of advance. Impulse to brain power. When you do the same exercise for many years, it does not help in your brain activities. But this backward exercise will make you feel healthy and your mind will also feel renewed, and in this way your brain activities will increase. Good posture. During backward operation, you keep your back straight. That way you will develop a good posture. People can look at you with strange eyes, but that should not bother you. You should think about your benefit without thinking about what others will say. Balance. Running back also helps you develop a balance. Your body becomes more flexible and can then do more tasks in a very short time. Try this exercise to feel the difference.